Cut me with your tongue and love me when it's over. You don't even know just how much you taught me. Something and provoking, keep us exploding, and not a fast.